Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Febrina Yunaidi. Student identification number 2113022053. Study program Physics Education, Lampung University. Here I will explain about planets and satellites. Number one is planet. Planets are members of the celestial bodies that have several variations with certain shapes and sizes on the planet. Planets are divided into 7, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, which have variation with a certain size shape on each planet. Inner planets are planets whose orbits are close to the Sun, is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Meanwhile, other planets are planets whose orbits are far from the Sun, is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. According to the International Astronomical Union, a celestial body can be said to be a planet if it meets the following requirements. Must orbit a star. If in our solar system is the Sun, must be large enough to have gravitational force to stay on track. It must be large enough for its gravity to push away other objects in its path. Here is an explanation of the 7 planets. Number 1 is Mercury. The planet Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, which has a distance of about 58 million kilometers from the Sun. The planet Mercury cannot be seen with the naked eye. Mercury can usually be seen at dawn and dusk. Mercury is the smallest planet among the other planets. Mercury has only Number 1 is Venus. The next planet is Venus. Have you ever heard of morning star? It is one of the nicknames of the planet Venus. This planet is usually seen from Earth in the afternoon. You know, guys, look like a star but not twinkling. Number 3 is Earth. Earth is one of the planets that does not have the largest size because what we live in is the Earth, so we consider the Earth to be the largest planet with an innumerable number of inhabitants. Number 4 is Mars. Mars is dubbed the red planet. Mars is the 4th planet in the solar system. Mars has a very thin, cold, dusty desert atmosphere. The planet Mars is also famous for its large volcanoes and deep valleys. In fact, this planet is the most frequent windstorm compared to other planets. Here are the characteristics of the planet Mars, including being dubbed the red planet. Number 5 is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet in the order of members of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet among the other planets. Jupiter has a diameter on its surface of about 142 km and has a volume of about 1.300 times that of Earth. Number 6, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in the order of members of the solar system. Saturn is the most beautiful planet among the other planets because Saturn has rings that surround the planet. Because the size of the rings is larger than the other planets. Because on Saturn there are many small rings that number up to hundreds. The tiny rings on the planet Saturn are composed of frozen gas and dust grains that researchers say are remnants of earlier satellites that were destroyed by collisions with other planets. Number 7, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet in the order of member of the solar system. On the planet Uranus is very different from other planets because of the poles of the planet Uranus is facing the sun and rotation on an axis parallel to its orbital plane around the sun. Number 8, Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet in the solar system. Neptune is a planet that has stormy winds, so it is called the windiest planet in the solar system. So there could be a very large storm that arises from this planet. His next satellite. A satellite is a moon, planet, or Martian that orbits around a planet or star. For example, the moon is a satellite of the Earth because the moon orbits around the Earth. Earth as a planet is also a satellite because it moves around the sun. There are two kinds of satellites, natural satellites and man-made satellites. Examples of natural satellites are the Earth and the Moon. Meanwhile, man-made satellites are those launched by humans for various purposes. In addition, satellites can also capture images of the world in outer space, such as images of other planets, stars, and other celestial bodies. Through information for satellites, NASA can find out if there are signs of life on other planets such as Mars and Venus. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.